Looking for a simple, durable and plug-and-play keyboard without spending much? So welcome to our channel, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and gadget reviews. In today's video, we are unboxing and testing the Rappo NK2600 wired keyboards. So let's see if this low-cost keyboard really delivers value or not. So before starting the video, hit that subscribe button and let's dive right into the box. So let's begin with unboxing. The box is pretty basic, very clean branding from Rappo, and the model name is NK2600 wired keyboard. Here you can see the image of the keyboard, and on the back we get a quick overview of the keyboard features like it is a spill resistant design, laser curved keycap and easy installation. So let's unbox it. Inside the box, we get the keyboard itself nicely packed in plastic. Alright, the first impressions is the build quality. Yeah, the build quality actually feels very solid for a budget keyboard, and you can see it is not flexible. The use of very solid material, it is built and it has a black matte finish, feels sturdy, and the keys have a nice spacing with a number pad. You can see here on the back we get these two small stands. It is a wired keyboard with a USB cable. Just plug and use it. About its key specification, it is a full size layout with number pad, fully laser engraved keycaps, spill resistance design, USB plug and play, compatible with Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Now it's time for the real test. Here's a quick typing sound test. First, connect this USB cable to your laptop or PC to your USB port. The keys feel soft but tactile enough. It is not mechanical, of course, but definitely better than most cheap membrane keyboards. This typing is quiet and key travel feels smooth. Yeah, I don't feel any difficulty while typing, and very responsive keyboard. This The keys are not soft, but it's a clicky keys. I have connected via USB and boom, no drivers, no fuzz. Just plug and play, instantly detected on any Windows laptop or PC. Just you can try typing on Word, browsing, even basic game response it fast, no input lags and all function keys work flawlessly. About its pros and cons, it has great build quality for the price, and the price is up to 6 to 700 guys, so very budgetful office work keyboard with a spill resistant design, fully sized layout with number pad and laser engraved keycaps. That is the best features in this budget friendly keyboard. About its cons, it has no backlighting. So this Rappo NK2600 is a no nonsense budget friendly keyboard with reliable performance and durable design. If you are looking for an affordable options, so it is perfect for home use, students or office work. If you like this video, drop a like and comment your thoughts below. Have any other budget accessories you want me to review? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech unboxing and honest review. So see you in the next video.